Are you facing challenges with your manufacturing operations? Still not find best ERP for your manufacturing business? Manufacturers must ensure they have best ERP for their business, as poor planning can result in missed deadlines, additional resource and distribution costs, staffing issues, replacement materials, excessive waste, and unnecessary downtime, bringing additional, unforecasted costs. Best ERP system in manufacturing companies provides the company a lot of benefits and help manufacturers to manage growth and gain a competitive advantage. Why manufacturers need the manufacturing application? To schedule the production. To manage the production. To assign a responsible task for production. To easily see what to produce according to sale. Manage sales. Manage customer and communication. Make to order manufacturing. Odoo ERP Manufacturing manage all manufacturing related activities. For any product to get manufactured, we can attach bills of material which consists of complete details of the required to manufacture the product. Odoo ERP streamlines the process from customer order through to distribution. Odoo ERP Manufacturing module helps you in. It helps in categorize the data which enable effective management of the product. It enables to set product variants and byproducts in the bills of material. Manage production by work order or either by manufacturing order. Master Production Schedule, MPS, is available which enables to schedule the production of stock. Preventive and corrective maintenance management. Manage quality control points, checks, measures. Provide improve and standardize reporting. Planet-Odoo helps you in setting up Odoo ERP with all manufacturing related activities. For more information, contact us on info@planetodoo.com or visit www.planetodoo.com.